Managing a homeowners association involves more than just collecting dues. You have to coordinate maintenance, respond to resident concerns, send out communications, and ensure everyone follows community rules. It's a lot to handle, especially for self-managed association. That's where PayHOA comes in. PayHOA is a modern cloud-based HOA management platform designed specifically for communities that want to simplify day-to-day operations without hiring expensive third-party manager. So in this video, we'll walk you through PayHoa's top features, explain how it benefits PayHoa's, and show why it's become one of the leading platforms for community management in 2025. One of the most important features of PayHoa is its automated billing and payment system. You can schedule recurring dues, assessments, and one-time charges for your residents. Homeowners can pay online through credit card, ACH transfer, or direct debit from their bank accounts. Every payment is automatically logged and reconciled within the system, which means less time doing manual bookkeeping and fewer missed or late payments. This keeps your cash flow steady and makes it much easier for homeowners to stay on top of their dues. So now let's talk about financial management. PayHoa includes full financial functionality, so you don't need separate software to handle your HOA's finances. You can track income and expenses, reconcile your bank accounts, and generate key reports like balance sheets, budget summaries, and profit and loss statements, all directly from the dashboard. This level of financial visibility is great for transparency, especially when it comes time to present numbers to board members or homeowners at the end of the year. Keeping everyone in the loop is another big part of running an AHOA. And PayHoa helps with that too. The platform has built-in communication tools that let you send announcements, newsletters, reminders, or alerts by emails, text message, or internal portal messaging. You can message the entire community or send individual notices, and you can track who's received and read each message. This helps prevent communication and ensure that everyone stays informed. PayHoa also makes it easier to handle violations and maintenance requests. You can log and track rule violations, attach photos or documents, and send notices directly to homeowners. Maintenance requests from residents can be submitted through the portal, and you can assign tasks, track progress, and manage vendor communications all within the platform. This keeps everything organized and reduces the chances of things slipping through the cracks. So, what makes PayHoa such a smart choice for communities in 2025? First, it's designed for self managed HOAs, so it's intuitive, affordable, and built for people who aren't full time property managers. Second, it's cloud based and mobile friendly, so you can access your dashboard from anywhere, whether you're at home or at a board meeting or on the go. It's also scalable whether you manage 10 units or 500 homes. PayHoa grows with your needs and with frequent updates and responsive customer service. It's a reliable long term solution. Managing an HOA doesn't have to be overwhelming. With PayHoa, you get all the essential tools: payment automation, financial tracking, maintenance, and violation management, and built in communication, all in one easy to use platform. If you're looking to bring more clarity, efficiency, and professionalism to your community in 2025, PayHoa is a smart, modern solution. So, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more HOA tech tips and tools.